Quad Kingdom Chess, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There are towers in the four corners of the board. Between each tower is called a kingdom, where pieces are set up. The black and white pieces set up so that they have a dark square in their bottom left. Maroon pieces are to the left of white, with their king on the lighter square, with the emerald ones mirroring them across the board. The white player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. The kingdom areas may be entered and used by any player, not just the one starting there. Towers are not spaces and block diagonal movement between two kingdoms. The knight is allowed to jump across the corner of a tower. Checkmate is determined at the start of your turn, so if the checkmate position changes before your turn, you are not eliminated. When a king is checkmated, that player is eliminated and all their pieces on the board turn to stone. Stone pieces do not move and do not threaten enemy kings, but they block movement and can be captured like normal. Pawns promote when they pass their own color's promotion line. On passant is allowed like normal. The last player remaining wins. When playing with 2 players, set up for 4 players, but the extra pieces are not used, but instead barricade in the playing field. Use the promotion lines and play with 2 players. To play with 3 players, set up the same, but players alternate taking the 4th player's turn.